Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your volume is muting automatically on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up the search menu, and then dito lang ay type mo yung device manager, and then click mo lang itong open. Okay, so dito sa device manager ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung audio inputs and outputs, and then click mo lang itong arrow na ito para mag-expand, and then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-update sa mga driver nito. Okay, so select ka lang dito, so select and right click, and then click mo lang itong update driver. Then ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung browse my computer for drivers, and then next let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. So, i-click mo lang dito siya. And then, makita mo kaagad dito yung mga available na hardware and drivers dito. So, select ka lang dito and then click mo lang to next. Alright? So, pagkatapos, and then close lang natin dito. And then, dito lang si start menu and click mo lang to restart. Right? Okay? So, if the problem still persists, do this another solution. Okay? So, dito lang si start menu, click mo lang yan, and then type mo lang dito yung cmd, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. So, dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter ang command keyword na msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic, and then copy lang natin yan, tapos paste lang natin dito. And then next ay press mo lang yung enter. Okay, so magpapop itong kanyang hardware and device. Okay, so ang next step dito ay click mo lang itong advanced, and then i-check mo lang itong apply repairs automatically. Okay, so click mo lang siya, and then click mo lang itong next, and then kailangan lang natin hintayin yung ma-detect yung problems para ma-complete siya. Okay, so makikita nyo dito na select device to troubleshoot. Ayan, so complete na po siya mga kaibigan. So ang next step ay close lang natin itong CMD, and then dito lang si start menu, and then click mo lang to restart. Ayan, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ang volume keeps muting automatically on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.